Is it going?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? I'm Asher Postman, and I'm going to take you through the inspiration of my song Walk Away.
If you could just walk away, yeah.
If you could just walk away, yeah. The very first thing that sparked the inspiration of this song is this video that one of my fans sent me of these two Indian girls. They were singing Baby by Justin Bieber, and they were playing this weird beat with their hands. And this is what it sounded like here. I heard that beat and I was like, whoa, I haven't really heard a beat like that before. It's and so what I did was found this loop from Splice and kind of chopped it up here. It's a little bit of a variation on that. And then I added some more things to make it more interesting. And that's kind of the beat that I was hearing from that Justin Bieber thing. Yeah, I wanted to make it more interesting than this Splice loop because everyone uses this Splice loop. I've heard it a million times. So what I did was I made, this is a nail clipper, the little metallic clip thing, and I just did a little rhythm with it and then chopped it up. And this other layer here is actually these glasses right here. So I just recorded that into my mic and then it made this sound. And so all those together with the beat sound like this. So yeah, I basically just stole this beat from some Indian girls. That's how the initial spark of the song happened. And then once I had that beat, I grabbed the guitar and just started messing around with stuff. Yeah, that's just kind of what I ended up going on, just because it was a cool, it moves a lot. It's not a progression that just repeats every 2 bars or whatever. It kind of keeps flowing. Dun, 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 dun. And so that's what really sparked the song in the beginning. Oh shoot, I just ripped my sock. No! So after that, I started working on a chorus idea. I made the drums a lot bigger with kind of the same concept of the beat. Just with a way bigger snare. I kind of had the guitar, I turned it into chords instead of just a single note for the chorus. I loved it so much because the beat is unique and then the guitar parts just fit right in the pocket between the spaces of the beat. It's a really stabby, bright bass. And then another pad on top of that. I actually started this song in my parents' basement almost 3 years ago. And I just had the idea. I always loved it, but I didn't really know what to do with it because it wasn't really EDM, and I wasn't doing anything non-EDM at the time. I pulled it up a year later when I lived in Grand Rapids. I came up with this thing that's the same rhythm as the acoustic guitar, but it's more of a synth. And then I ended up adding this guitar part that I played for you earlier. I was hanging out with Annelisa one day and we were gonna write, and we just talked about stuff that was going on in our lives for a long time. She had recently gone through a breakup, and so we talked about that a lot. And then I played her this track and she instantly loved it. And then we just kind of sat down and started brainstorming ideas. And then one of us had the idea of Walk Away. Then we just tried writing over the chorus for a long time, and eventually finally came with the rhythm and lyrics of this.
If you could just walk away, yeah.
And it's another rhythm, there's this chorus is so rhythmic. There's a lot of different rhythms going on with the beat. Boom, tum, boom, and then the dum 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 dum. And if you could just walk, they all go together and mesh, and they kind of fill each other's spaces. And then we wrote the pre-chorus. And when we wrote the pre-chorus, that's when we really knew that this song was special. Just the way that the melody moves.
Oh, I know, you know, I want you all alone, but then I don't, cause I got no control.
And it just it felt so good, so we knew that this song was gonna be great.
Oh, I know, you know, I want you all alone.
Do you have any questions or any other things? So yeah, once we finished writing the track and we had it all kind of this, we sent it to Armada. And they really loved the song, but since they're a dance label, they wanted to sound more dancey. And so they asked me to do a version that just sounds more like a dance track. And so that's what I did for the original version that's already out, if you've already heard it. But I always loved this version so much, and I really, really wanted to put it out. It's called the alt version. Technically, it's the original version. But yeah, this song is out now. You can stream it anywhere. I think you might enjoy this version if you like the other one. And yeah. That's walk away. Don't know what else to say.
That rhymed. Bars.
That's walk away. Don't know what else to say. Hope you have a good day. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed, dude, subscribe. It's not that hard. And that's all I got for this video. I will see you next time. Peace.
If you could just walk away, yeah.